Welcome to Tesla Magazine, where we strive to help you excel in your business and reach new heights in connecting with your prospects. Today, we're excited to introduce ChargeDirect and explore how it can significantly enhance your business. Let's dive into the various benefits and plans available to you. ChargeDirect stands as the first premium network of installers in France, dedicated to working exclusively with committed players in renewable energy and advocates for local businesses. This synergy of sustainable energy and local commerce support is key to our clients, partners, and our collective success. Currently, we cover 50% of the territory, but our ambition doesn't stop there. By 2024, we aim to achieve 100% coverage, all the while upholding our premium standards. If your company is aligned with our commitment to renewable energy, we invite you to join us. Together, we can help you reach your commercial goals. Becoming part of the ChargeDirect network opens doors to a vast array of opportunities. Together with Tesla Mag, we're dedicated to supporting your business journey. Recognizing and leveraging the potential and developments within our network is vital for your commercial success. In today's era, fueled by artificial intelligence, the impossible has become possible. If you're reevaluating your business development or software efficiency, now is the time. As architects of new software solutions, our goal is to integrate our tools into as many businesses as possible, enabling you to generate more business and enhance your skills. ChargeDirect is more than a network. It's a gateway to thriving in the renewable energy installation business. By joining us, you gain access to expert advice, increased coverage, time-saving automations, and opportunities to develop your skills. Embrace the possibilities with ChargeDirect and Tesla Mag. Your business success is within reach.